Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about linking your SoFi account with other banks. The short answer is yes, you can. SoFi uses a secure, third-party platform called Plaid to connect to over 10,000 other financial institutions. This makes it simple to transfer money between your SoFi account and your accounts at other banks. Here's a quick rundown of how it works. You can link a new account directly through the SoFi app or website. You'll go to the transfer section, select to link a new account, and then you'll be prompted to search for your other bank. You'll enter your login credentials for that bank, and Plaid handles the rest, establishing a secure connection. If your bank isn't available through Plaid, SoFi may offer the option to link your account manually using your bank's routing and account numbers. Once the accounts are linked, you can easily transfer money back and forth. It's a convenient way to manage all your finances in one place. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.